Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix fatal error in the finals. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you have to check if the server is down. Search for the finals Twitter and check all the recent posts. If there is a server down or maintenance, then there will be a post about it and you will have to wait till the maintenance finishes. For the second step, you need to open Steam page and make sure you have the minimum system requirements for the finals. If you don't, then the game won't run for you. But if you have the minimum system requirements, then follow the next steps. For the third step, go and check for system updates. Update your system and restore your PC. This will improve gaming experience at least, if not crashing and launching. For the last step, you need to search for graphics settings and then open it. Scroll down and find the finals and expand it. In the GPU preferences, select high performance. Now restart your PC and then launch the finals again. This should fix your problem. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.